saka video yi bi amesrew na wa share ede ama obi nso na obi nso atumi anya bi na me nhyira mo a mo support your evangelism team na abribia mo send bibi kakra ede boa nyamedwuma ye ewo aha enenso asema ewuade se menka nkire wo a abribiala utie yen ewo saa asem yi so no ene se siabonten step out. Oh, Bible say Adam and Eve onyankopon ebo won no so say say Adam ni nipa Eve ebre no aduaba enye se nka yedie no, that is the fruit no, the tree of knowledge and evil or the buy ema won die yemfa no nto abra on di saa de ni ewie ye no animguase kese beto animguase beto won say na omo fele no omo te se Yesu Kristo na awurade eba na abra omo te se awurade eba na Bible say omo kotete abra won tete ye no awurade busa Adam say adenti na akotete ena Adam say ye kotete because ye te won kasa oba no na ye fele every say ni ye dadeja. Now awurade ka kire won say who told you thou are naked? Eye wan ana ka say wo dadeja. Now Adam anybody who so no na otete na awurade amfre Adam just one time or friend more than 3-4 times and say na Adam e ka kire no yire na on ne tete say please I can't hide anymore. Mean to me antitebium I got to step out for a change. It was a pia bonten e man sakra bi eden ya eba. Now abra Adam e pia bonten no Bible say ewade nyankopon ka say who told you thou are naked? As you are watching me now, why not catch you say you are naked? Why not catch you say untimi nya say adwuma? Who told you you can't marry? Who told you can't do that business? E to da bia amanfo te say ukosua adwuma o say ho wei adwuma no want me nsua. Amanfo te say okwa wale a o say ho wei awale no entumi ngina. Amanfo te say utu kwaya ho wei akwantu on ontimi to, but I am here to let you know who told you you can't do it. Who told you can't marry? Who told you untimi nsolibi? Listen to me. Send ye ni patia wa brabom biala. No matter who you are, you will still meet some people on the way. I won't be discourage you. Won't be boo up. Won't be confuse you. Won't be catch you so to me. Ye ni na yatai siya sa man. I told be a wali metimisi. I told be a drum metimisi. I told be a sikase metimisi. Who samba way. Sister when I call brother when I call but I brought who some 10-15 minutes to make catch you say. Never do it because other people are doing it. Do it because you feel say you can do it. Paul said, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Me to me at the end now, and I'm Christo Densha or Seminimo. Abra Uhemi, me so crime. I want you to me a wale. A Jumano over to me aye. A quantum over to me a two. O Tonas yan tacos waton. Ben may be a disappointed, but I'm not just a member in a be disappointed. And maybe a disappointed. I'm not just a man in a be disappointed. You have entered into business, then it has collapsed. But that doesn't mean that every business will be collapsing. Listen to me. Every successful person a Philippine. Every successful person is your money pen. Every successful person is your weapon. There is no happy marriage. Everybody Everybody has encountered so many trials. It is a wood dear I am full of Tokwania, sister. Obidia who say, Asumbe woman, Kofina Kohe. And Tokwa one echo, and Pia Bontintia. Or Pia one of my wet me, I can't say. Or Asumbe on the Jumu, a be running loss. A be running death Cassiapa, but to me can't know be sister, make catch us entertain. Brother, Jaisa would step out for a change. Life begins when a man step out for a change. If there is an empty can, it doesn't make a move. But listen to me, the moment it make a move, it make noise. Empty can noise. But when you begin to step out, when you begin to make a move, Onyankopon so make movement at the mouth. Listen to me. Baby, I will tell me at this moment. Me show you say. So what me step it out from your comfort zone? Onyankopon so be now. Obana mo ya Samaria ni ba no. Ya tuni di bebre kwa, but abro step it out no. Okosia Yesu Kristo ewo asubula na no. Abra osia Yesu Kristo no, there was a change. Abrantia Gideon, why abrantia na otete na busuafo come to wo. But abra Gideon making movement no, okonye grande ba ye tie. So what's so bad now with them de bia say. Adwendwen sa nya wo dwendwen de bia na e kombekum. So what's so bad now with them de bia say. Adwendwen ta de bia wo dwendwen na awale ni ntumi ma. After you have prayed, what bomb paye awie no, si abonten kopadwuma ye. Onyankopon fa dwuma mfiri soro, emra wo dan ni mo. Onyankopon fa wale mfiri soro, emfa emra wo dan ni mo. Listen, o shada mo ye make up si wi a, it was our stepping outside to make a move, to make a miracle, to make a testimony, to make a change, to meet a nipa wadi asese. So ba ko sia wo. Your friend brother Joe, we show him quiet next time. Se sani ya wonam wo bia no, obi afamu pen. Sani ya wo bre bi obi abre pen. The problem is, opefa akotra. Make a movement. Yes, so be call him. And to tell because of situation I will know. Adam nene yere to tell because of they were naked. Are you afraid because of your naked? Listen, sometimes your scars become your stars. A tonebia, a crocha, the down one, a bayan soma, a mencrophobia. A tonebia, near nipa atom, near nipa afom. Adam, a catch and the Eve say, I got not to hide anymore. It was a misia bonten, not a ratty human nakedness. Or banana ne moja to Nifisia, baby, and some kind of say, some Sahasaya, a moja to me, a mamu, Netrasam stepping out. Ekoso Yesu ataliemu. Empo menya oje. Even though I've been disgraced, but menya ni monyam. Even though I've been disappointed, but I've been appointed. Even though I've been rejected, but today I am accepted. Even though I was rejected, but today I am accepted. Even though I was abandoned, I was regretted, but today people welcome me. Even though I was divorced, but today I am a marriage man. I am a marriage woman. Even though I am not what Tibiania man, but say, a wade kaime. Say, a wadia semeni monyam. Say, a wadia buame. Say, a wadia pejame. Say, a wadia pejama kosuma paumatnabia. Tie, and kase ni atu unti, obatete. And kase ni atu unti, obatete nipa. And kase ni atu unti, obejane. And kasa ni atu unti oba ya ho basa tugu why na wali nguda why na juma nguda why na de benguda why na nsi am soreda na why ana nto ahwiase mu da nia watom ni nia wonamu biala stand up people won futuru dwale wo ho na make movement. The problem is suenyansa efri wahwiase mu suenyansa efri ne ekosomu suenyansa efri ne wahyiemu na make difference awasasi so. Remember, if you fail in life, you have disappointed your family, you have disappointed your God, and you have disappointed your own self. It's bomodin biasa. You won't fail your generation because many people are waiting for you. Many people are looking upon you. Many people are looking upon you. Many people are just waiting for the gift God has given to you. And disappointed, step it out. And kasa wa fele. And kasa wa nime guase. And into ba nime do wana. And into be ku wana. Obe ku wana. Obe nime do wana. And as so be poison ho. Listen to me. Ni awa fam no bi afam. Ni atu obi. Ni awa shi obi ahia. But do wan ku ni ho. Step it out. Kata wanim guase yeso. Na bo wani to free. Na kokọ wanim na emum suenyansa. Ewo ne eto woni mu. Suenyansa ewo ne awofam ne mu. Suenyansa ewo anwonko enipa abrabo ene nsam ekoso ema ho beda adeja. Your nakedness ewo outside. Ankofo de serew. Nakedness. Yawo nim guase de. Yawo ekom de. Yawo edos bebre kwa. Ato de bia yehu se wo mu a na ofeli mpo se obebe nipa. Obi to nyumbi o se atebia me namu ni amane a me wo mu no mintumi kan che nipa me fele na so wuade a onim kokoa mu asem no obetimi ahye wonimonyam agye wo de afiri mu wo a wo hwemi na wonim ne a wonam Wa wo hwe me na wonim ni ato wa wo fele. Wa wo hwe me na wonim ni awohia ato so. But asama make catch on say eto obi a. Tugu na kokọ wanim. Na Adam ene na yere Eve. Bible say one the failure ekopen kataso ekata wo ho eko make life. Die step out. Na ko make difference. Forgetting yato. Forgetting yes. Forgetting yawohia na kokọ wanim. Na wiye die eda ho twen. Wa wale eda ho twen. Usika eda ho twen. Mia wani na ko okoden ewa abrabomu na ehwie ya no Israel Nyankopon ebeto nsupa egu wani eden ene onum apaso Eruade nhira no ne okese mesa no wahia bi da foforo ye fra me osofo Jowo me the senior bishop Emma Porters Covenant Chapel onsaka video yi bia mesrawo sendema obi na obi nso nya bi se obi nkran mo am support your program ewo online social media ni nyina no 055 000 8352 055 000 8352 ya from osofo Jowo nyame ya adom ya dafoforo bi mu no menya akonya mesenya ba eno abekasa within 5 minutes ene nyame de ma won say enhyeda mu nsu enhyeda mu ntinisiyo si abonten eko make difference na Eruade ande hwe nipa so Eruade ande be hwe wo so enkasa nya wo na mu nti wo be hyeda mu su wo be hyeda matete na ni nyina no usu na wo tete no na wo problem no ana ye kese bo woni to free na kokọ wanim Kristo munti de be yi frame na ye monkobo support your ministry no na Eruade mfa so emfa nhira me da ase bebre kwa me wo gidie wo mu so be ye defo e mo bi na da e mo bi ntumfutro mu wani me ka kire wo nese ho ye fe wo wani monyam wo ye defo wo ye sikani wo wayalesa wo wa hobambo e wo Kristo mu Eruade nhira wo Yesu de ne mu amen me da ase